అంతర్జాతీయ క్రికెట్ నుంచి నిషేధించబడిన క్రికెటర్లు వీరే: ఎం. అజారుద్దీన్ లైఫ్ బ్యాన్ మ్యాచ్ ఫిక్సింగ్. He was found to have been involved in a match fixing scandal. Muhammad Asif banned for 7 years spot fixing. Marlon Samuel banned for 2 years giving team information to an alleged bookmakers. David Warner banned for 1 year ball tampering. Prithvi Shaw banned for 8 months doping violation. Chamika Karunaratne banned for 1 year breaching several clauses the player agreement during the T20 World Cup. Shahid Afridi banned for 2 matches for ball tampering. Yusuf Pathan banned for 5 months doping violation. Sreesanth banned for 7 years spot fixing in IPL. Andre Russell banned for 1 year doping violation. Muhammad Amir banned for 5 years spot fixing. Amar Akmal banned for 3 years not disclosing offers related to the spot fixing. Steve Smith banned for 1 year ball tampering. Shakib Al Hassan banned for 2 years failing to report an approach from the bookie. Sharjeel Khan banned for 5 years spot fixing in PSL. Sachin Tendulkar banned for 1 match for ball tampering. Salman Butt banned for 10 years per spot fixing. Danushka Gunatilaka banned for 1 year sexually assaulting. Shoaib Akhtar pulled out from the 2006 ICC Champion Trophy doping violation. Alex Hales banned for 21 days recreational drugs uses. KL Rahul suspended was until the inquiry. Outrage evoking comments on women in TV shows Jan 2019. Nicholas Puran banned for 4 matches ball tampering. Hardik Pandya suspended was until the inquiry. Outrage evoking comments on the women in TV show Jan 2019. Cameron banned for 9 months for ball tampering.
మీకు మా వీడియోస్ కనుక నచ్చినట్లయితే ఇలాంటి మరెన్నో విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటే డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సమాజం ముచ్చట్లు.